Hi YouTubers, this is the Aussie Super Treasure Hunter here, and this here is a case directly from America. It's probably definitely not coming to Australian shores. It's the Hot Wheels 50th Anniversary Black and Gold series. I'm sure you might know about it, so I'm going to do a quick case unboxing video of one case in this country. I'm sure other people have gone out of their way and imported a couple of cases or a case on their own. I don't think these cases are available online anymore. They're only online for a very short amount of time before they were sold out. So this is the Black and Gold series, and I'm just going to go through the 6 cars in the case, and the hopefully we got our chase car also in this case. So in no particular order, I'm going to get these case cars out. You know what? I cannot see my chase car. Oh, I hope I'll find it. I better bloody be in here. There it is. Okay, we have our chase. Okay. Alrighty, car number 6. We'll start at the back of the case. This is car number 6, the 65 Ford Ranchino. It's just a matte black finish with a beautiful gold interior, gold wheels, gold grille, and a yellow base. So if you get the chance to get these guys, make sure you snap them up. They're probably not going to be cheap, but unfortunately supply and demand probably makes it that way. Okay, car number 5 of 6 is the 64 Impala. The thing I like about these cars is all the cards are embossed. You can feel the decorations on the card. And the card is actually an aerial shot of the car that's in each carded case. So that's car number 5. Car number 4 is the 68 Dodge Dart. Again, beautiful matte black. This one's got a yellow interior with gold rims, gold grille, and gold bumper. This is just a classic celebration of the Hot Wheels 50th anniversary. That's car number 4. Car number 3, it's not that one, this is car number 3, the Roger Dodger. Again, it's got a gold interior, matte black finish, gold rims, with that big gold motor at the front. The car's embossed, the card is embossed, and it's got the aerial view of the car in the card. It's car number 3. Car number 2 is a popular casting, an original casting, the Twin Mill. That's again, it's got gold interior, gold rims, gold engine parts, just gold trim. It's really nice. Matte black with the blue and gold finish on the top. All the cars have that feature. It's just a really lush set. Even though they're basic Hot Wheels, it's a very, very exclusive set, this set. It's sure to be a valuable investment for your future. This is car number 1. It's the Bone Shaker. Now, who doesn't like a Bone Shaker? And when you've got it in matte black with gold trim and gold interior and gold motor parts sticking out in the exhausts, who doesn't want one of them? And of course, we did get the chase. Every box has one chase car. It's the car that's not on the back of the card. It's a card of a casting that everyone loves. It's the 67 Camaro, with a black interior and gold, just gold. That is mint. Absolutely love that car. The hype surrounding this car is every bit worth the casting that it is. So if you get the chance, guys, try to secure yourself a set of these. Like I said, I don't think they're available on online anymore. But yeah, if you get the chance, make sure you get yourself a set. Thanks for watching, guys. You can leave comments in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and there will be more case unboxings and treasure hunting to go up soon on the webpage. Peace out. Thanks for watching.